Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you all? I am Miss Sumaya, and in this video, I will be teaching you how to draw a line using a scale. Okay, now before doing that, let's just have a quick revision of what we have done so far. First of all, what is length? Length is the distance between two ends of an object, right? And what have we learned about the units in which we measure length? We have learned the two units in which we measure length are called as meters and centimeters. And whenever we want to compare the length of one object with the length of another object, what do? We usually subtract the length of one object from the length of another object. So today what I will be teaching you is how we can draw a line by using a scale. So for that, what do we need? Let me show you. Okay, so basically the two things to draw a line, the two things that are needed to draw a line are, one is a centimeter scale, okay, and another thing that you need is a pencil. That's it. Now let's see. Let's read question number 2 here in your mathematics workbook on page number 157. Let's read it. Use a ruler to draw each line. Question number A. Draw a straight line PQ that is 10 centimeter long. Now we need to draw a line PQ that is about 10 centimeter long. How will we draw it? As I have told you that the length of any object is the distance between two ends of an object, right? So one end is here and another end will come somewhat here. We know that we have to draw a line that is we have to draw the line PQ that is about 10 centimeter long. Okay, so obviously it will start from 0, that is here. It will start from here and it has to be 10 centimeters long. So this is where your 10 centimeter comes. Okay, so we'll mark a point here. And then what we have to do is we simply have to join the dots. This is what we have always done, right? Since nursery, we have learned how to join the dots. This is what we will do right now. We will just join the dots together. Like this, okay? And we are gonna label this end as P and this end as Q. Why I have done that? Because they have told us in this question that we have to draw a line PQ. PQ means one end has to be P and another end has to be Q. So that is why I have labeled this end as P and this end as Q. And since it's 10 centimeters long, so I will write here 10 centimeter. Okay, so now I have drawn PQ. Now let's move on towards the B part. Here they have told us to draw a straight line ST that is 3 centimeters longer than line PQ. Now here they have not told us the exact length of line ST. The only clue that they have given us is that this line has to be 3 centimeters longer than the line PQ. So what we will do is we will simply add 3 centimeters into the length of line PQ. So the length of line PQ is 10. We will simply add 3 into 10 and our answer is 13. So we got our answer that the length of the line ST is 13 centimeters long. So this is what we have to do. Again, we will place a ruler here. We know that its first end will come somewhat here at 0 centimeter. So our line is beginning from 0 centimeter and it will end here till 13 centimeters. Here it is ending. Okay, so these are the two ends of the line. And what will be the last step? The last step is simply to join the dots. We will join the dots together and we got our line. Okay, so this is the line ST. I will measure this point as S, this point as T, and since I know it is 13 centimeters long, so I will write it as 13 centimeters long. Now let's look at the last question. In last question, they are saying that we have to draw a straight line MN that is 5 centimeters shorter than line PQ. Again, they have not told us the exact length of line MN, but the only clue that they have given us is that it is about 5 centimeters shorter than PQ. So what we have to do is we simply have, if it is shorter than PQ, then this means we have to subtract, right? If they would have written that it is longer than PQ, then we would have added 5 into 10. But since they have written that it is shorter than PQ, so what we will do is we will subtract 5 from the length of PQ. So when we will subtract 5 from length PQ, our answer is 5. So now we know that the length of line MN is how many centimeters long? It is about 5 centimeters long. And how we will find out, how we will draw 5 centimeter line? Again, our first end will start, the one end of the line will begin from 0, okay, and it has to be 5 centimeters long. So this is where 5 centimeter comes. So we got two ends of an object. Then last step is simply to join the dots together. I have joined the dots together. And now I know that one end of the line is M. Another end of the line is N. And how much long it is? It is about 5 centimeters long. So now we have learned how to draw the line using a scale and how to compare one line from another. Okay, if still you have any query, feel free to ask me. I'm here to guide you. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.